Let's face it, laundry day isn't exactly the highlight of the week. But with the right front-load washer, it can become a breeze, or at least a gentle spin. Here's a deep dive into 5 of the hottest front-load washers on the market in 2024, helping you choose the champion for your laundry room. Number 1. LG Signature Twin Wash High Efficiency Smart Front-Load Washer. This washer takes the cake for innovation. The LG Signature boasts a 2-in-1 washer concept, with a main washer and a mini washer stacked underneath. Perfect for delicates or tackling small loads simultaneously, it's a game changer for busy households. LG's AI technology promises optimized washing cycles, while the high-efficiency design ensures lower water bills. However, be prepared for a heftier price tag on this feature-packed machine. Number 2. GE Ultrafresh Vent System Smart Front Load Washer. If you're worried about musty smells clinging to your clothes, the GE Ultrafresh Vent System might be your hero. This washer boasts a built-in ventilation system that helps prevent mold and mildew growth, keeping your laundry smelling fresher for longer. It also offers smart features for remote control and cycle customization. While reviews praise its cleaning power and odor-fighting tech, some users mention the vent system can be a bit noisy. Number 3. GE Smart Front Load Washer Dryer Combo. Looking to streamline your laundry process even further? The GE Washer-Dryer Combo might be your answer. This space-saving option combines washing and drying in one appliance. With smart features and a sensor-driven drying system to prevent overdrying, it offers convenience in a compact package. However, washer-dryer combos tend to have smaller capacities than dedicated washers, so keep your laundry volume in mind. Number 4. Beko Front Load EcoTub Compact Washer. For those with limited space or a tighter budget, the Beko Front Load EcoTub is a compelling option. This compact washer packs a punch with its efficient washing power and small footprint. Beko's EcoTub technology is designed to use less water without compromising cleaning performance. While its capacity might not suit large families, positive reviews highlight its affordability and space-saving design. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke Smart Front Load Washer. Samsung's bespoke washer takes customization to a whole new level. Available in various colors and finishes, it lets you personalize your laundry room aesthetic. This washer also boasts smart features and a powerful steam cycle for deep cleaning. However, some users report the bespoke washer's sleek design comes with a premium price tag.